to Edupedia World videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is reviewing the presentation. Starting with the introduction. Before showing your presentation, you might decide to ask someone to look over it. If you are revising a hard copy of the report, you might add comments in the margins or compare your rough and final drafts side by side. You can also do these things in the PowerPoint using a comment and compare feature. PowerPoint's comment and compare feature make it easier for you to collaborate with others on the content of your presentation. So basically, this is a feature, comment and compare, by which you're taking reviews of someone else. If you have already prepared a presentation and you just want that some other person would have a look over it and will provide you the suggestions that where the changes are required, then comment and compare feature, this is the best feature. Instead of taking the hard copy of the presentation on the PowerPoint presentation itself, it gives you a feature where you can add the comments. You can read those comments and accordingly you can modify the PowerPoint presentation. Starting with the course goal, we'll discuss about that how do we use the commenting on the presentation, how to add the comments, how to edit the comment, to respond to a comment and delete the comments. Then we'll discuss about comparing the presentations, to compare two presentations and using the reviewing feature safely, to use the document inspector. So let's start with the first option, that is to add the comment. You need to select the text first. For example, this is the text we have. Now you need to click on the review tab. Here, select this. You need to locate for the comment. This is the group, comment group. Here you'll get an option, click the new comment. This is the one. Now once you click here, this is the box, this is the new comment command coming up. You can type in your command here. Suppose we write here, need a review on this. Please verify. That's it. Now you can click anywhere on the slide and the comment would be gone. So this is how you can add a comment here. The edit comment that would show you as a small thumbnail here. This is the thumbnail M1. So rather than the full size note, you can just see a thumbnail here. And if you want to read the comment, you can place your mouse cursor here and it show you the comment. Now the second option is how do we edit the comment that we have added. Now in the same group comments, we have got an option edit comment. First of all, you need to click here on the comment. Now you can click on the edit comment command here. Click. It gives you option to modify the comments. Like suppose we want to write here, or the person who's reviewing that want to write here, then this is already verified. That's it. Now you can click anywhere in the presentation. Now place your mouse cursor here and you can see the two comments here now. Need a review on this, please verify, and verified. Now the other option is to respond to a comment. This is the comment. Right click on this, the comment. If you want to respond to the comment, you need to right click here on the thumbnail, and now from the drop down list you can click on new comment. You can type in your comment or your reviews here, and then you can click anywhere on the screen. So now you can see that the two thumbnails are appearing here. Once you place your cursor here on the first one, it shows you the previous comment, and the second one, this is the response of the first one. So this is how, for giving the response, you need to right click on this, and now new comment you have to write. It keep on preparing the new comments. Like if you have more reviewers, multiple reviewers, then accordingly you can modify this. That's it. Now the next option we have is to delete a comment. Now suppose this is the last comment that we want to delete. You can select this. In the comments group, you have the delete option here. Delete, it's gone. Select this, right click this and select delete comment. Select the comment, right click and select delete comment. So this is how you can remove the comments. You can delete the comments. Now the other function is comparing the presentations. Now suppose you want to compare two presentations. This features combine two versions of the same presentation, allowing you to see all of the differences between the presentations. It helps you to decide which changes to include in the final version of the presentation. So if you want to compare the two presentations, you need to click on the review tab again. And you have an option here under compare. Click on this. Now it asks you to browse a file. This is one PowerPoint presentation which is present in my system. So just for showing you the example, I'm trying to open this up. Now what you have to do is you need to browse the location of the file, select the file, and then you will get an option merge. Click on this option and it's going to merge two files now. Now you can see that we have merged these two presentations. Alright, so now you can see that we have merged these two presentations. We have got all the slides here. Now as I have selected some other file now, suppose we would be having we'll be getting two copies now of every slide. This is the first one, the second one. Suppose this is the very first slide in our presentation. So when we are going to merge the two presentation, or when we are going to compare these two presentation, you will be getting two copies of the same kind of slide here, like the copy 1 and copy 2. Now you can right click on this and you will get the option. As you can see here, you can right click here and you have the option reject changes or accept changes. The same way, reject changes. If you feel that this particular slide is the one that we don't want to use, then you can right click and you can click on reject changes and it would be gone. Now you right click here and it's giving you the option accept changes. So there are changes made on every slide if we are comparing two different presentations where we are having the comments, and after that we'll merge that. So we are having the changes on every slide. So it gives you the option that if you want to accept that slide or do you want to reject it. So accordingly you can select the option, you can right click and you can accept the slide, and the other one you can reject. So the one that is having some different kind of comments or that is not having the correct data or any modification, that would be gone from the presentation, and the other one we'll keep. So this is how we can use this compare feature. So that was it for this session. We have learned that how to make the comments on the presentation, how to edit the comment, respond back, and how to delete the comments. We have also studied that how do we compare the presentation. To presentation, how do you compare. For the next feature, we'll be referring to the other video. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.